Hello, I'm here today with a new tutorial for you. In this video, we intend to design an animation background together, similar to what you see in the image. To start, I first visit the FreePic website and type particle in the search option. Then I select the desired background and finally download it. I wait for the download to complete. After the download is finished, I open the file and launch Adobe Illustrator. As you can see in the image, I zoom in on the background a bit. Then I click on a point and choose the Ungroup option. I ungroup that selection with another object. Then I select the desired object and click on Collect as Export from the File menu. I perform this action for other layers as well. Finally, I add the background to the export list. I select all the objects and place them in the appropriate export path. Our files are now exported. I navigate to the folder where we exported the files. Then I go to Adobe After Effects and create a new composition. I import the files into After Effects by selecting them. First, I bring the background onto the scene. Then I fit the background using the Ctrl+Alt keys. Now I select a new solid layer. I go to the Effects window and open the particular plugin. After a while, the plugin loads and I switch to the designer view. Next, I choose one of these options and select the sprite according to the image. As you can see, I select the sprite and click on Add Custom Sprite. I navigate to the desired path. I import the extracted sprite image into the particular software. I select the smallest object and apply the settings as shown in the image. This step is based on your preference, as you can adjust the settings in different ways to suit your taste. After applying the settings to the particle layer, I select the particle layer and split it in half, extending the layer from the end. I select two layers, excluding the background, and use the Pre-Compose option, choosing a new name for it. Then, I create another solid layer. I call up the plugin again and switch to the designer view. In this step, I apply the desired settings to the layer, just like in the previous step. After completing the settings, I split the layer in half and extend it from the end. I bring both layers into a single pre-composition. I repeat this process once more. I go back to the designer and select the designer. Then I choose the type and apply the settings for the third sprite. You can adjust these settings in any way you like. Then, I split the layer in half and extend it from the end, just like before. I create a new pre-composition. That's it. We have a beautiful background with particles dancing in it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video if you enjoyed it, and share it with your friends.